In this video, I will show how to create bar chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly select your data, then insert. Click on this drop down arrow, all charts, and here select bar. You can select 3D or 2D bar. Here you can see the preview. Then click on OK. Now you can adjust the size. Once you change your data here, it will reflect here. Once you double click on it, its property will be open. You can change style, color. Here you can change color combination. Once you click on this plus icon, so you can add or remove these labels like data table, add or remove, error bars, chart title, trend line. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.